Hi, I'm going to show you how to use Amai, a data cleansing tool used to improve productivity and efficiency, made by me. So you can click about Amai to see what it does, and click this Learn How to Use Amai to see, which will redirect you to a YouTube link, which is an outdated YouTube video, which is why I'm making this one to show you how to make it. So you can put your password if you have a password on your file over here, and you drag or drop your file over here if you have a XLSX, so an Excel file or CSV file. So you can visit the website at datacleanser.streamline.app. That's how you spell it. I will put it in the description. And you have to put it under 200 megabytes. That's the limit. So let's test it out. So I have this Pokemon file which we're going to be editing. So I'm going to run you through all of the features. So if you scroll down, you'll see 3 tabs: data, summarized data, plotted data. Let's start with data. So you can click on each cell, change the value, and you can even, and for Boolean values, true or false, it will do a checkbox. So you can set it to checked or not checked, right? And you can select some, copy it, and paste it onto an Excel thing. You can add a new row, which for our sake you will not be doing. And you can format if you have numbers from all the way over here. Format on with all of these options. You can auto size, pin column, or hide column. You can download, not down. You can add, so add row, hide columns, download as CSV. You can put whatever name you want. Search for a specific thing, and this is just full screen. So these are all the interactivity which you can just do off this, right? Commit is whatever changes you do. If you want to commit, you can commit. You can undo to your last commit. You can reset all. So reset all just sends you back to the original data frame which you put. Download clean CSV. I would use, suggest you guys use this one, but this one, if you don't want to type a name for the file, this just downloads it as clean CSV. Clear cache, that's for downloading on, if you have a password, right? And another thing, if you're putting a different database after this, you're gonna have to click refresh to clear the cache so it doesn't show the exact same database. So if you're putting a different database, just refresh the page before. Okay? And don't refresh if you have changes, and make sure you download it. So, and summarize data, this shows you count of each column, unique, and all of these things. It's just a summary of your data, which it can be really helpful. Plot data, if you plot your data, it's going to show up, which I'm going to show you how to do. So let's start, shall we? So we're going to try just editing this data. Okay? Pick values to show. You can pick, let's do 529. Sure. It shows till 529. 528, it's just one off. You can do 79 to, you set all 190 through 400. So it's 120 through 400. So you can reset all, because I don't want to commit that right now. Column, rename column. Let's rename that to ID. So you just do Control Enter. Make new column with function. This can be really helpful. Let's try to make a column with HP and attack. Both of them added up. So HP. Let's put the new column name first. So HP attack. So HP plus attack. HP plus attack. So 45 plus 49 is 94. So our HP attack should be over here with 94. Perfect. You can drop columns. I'm gonna drop ID and generation. Add suffix and prefix. You can add a suffix or prefix. We're gonna target Bulbasaur just to show you how it works. Let's pick column. For some reason, set it to ID. Let's click. We should have probably committed. So I'm gonna pause this video for a second and just reset everything. I have successfully fixed it, so we can continue. So add suffix and prefix does exactly that. No, it can also remove. Forgot to add that in there. But you pick what column. Let's say we're going to target Bulbasaur, so Bull. Right? We want to remove. It removes it. Easy as that. Add, adds it, but it adds it to everyone. Let's just remove it. Right? Before I forget what I did last time, I'm going to commit. And you can see, add, remove. Simple as that. Values modification modifies values. Easy. Replace empty values in columns. So type 2 empty values. We want to replace it with no. And we want to do it for type 2. Perfect. That's how that works. Oh, shoot, I click reset all. So actually, if I click undo to last commit, that's probably not going to work either, because I reset it all. I'm going to redo this. Give me one more second. I have successfully fixed it, and yeah. So I showed you how to replace empty values in columns. Pretty simple. Remove columns and rows with missing values. Pretty self-explanatory. Let's say we want to remove type 2 because it has missing values. So we'll remove column with missing values format, and it removes it. If you're wondering why it removed name, that's what I'm wondering too. So let's just undo to last commit. Let's see if there's any Pokemon with a missing name, which we will fix. For our sake, that I cannot find it, but I'll just show you remove rows and missing values format. It removes all the rows with missing values, and if you look at Summer's data, there's 414 comparative to the 799 there were before. So I'm honestly going to remove the missing ones and commit. We will hide this column because I do not like the ID column. Oh wait, it's ID, so I don't think you can hide it, but it should be fine. Anyways, so that's what remove values does. Replace string just replaces a specific string in name. So, like name, we want to replace all instances of CHA with like BHA, sure. Barzard, right? And let's just do replace all B's with BHA to Barzard, right? That's just kind of goofy, but we'll undo to last commit. So yeah, that's values modification. Sorting sorts your thing depending on a column. Let's sort using every column we made HP attack to find what Pokemon has the most HP and attack. So descending is 296, Mega Mewtwo X, and then we can do ascending to see which one has the least, which is shuffle. I'm gonna undo to last commit because I want it to stay nicely. Shuffle data, if you just want a random sample of data, this can be helpful. For some reason, it just doesn't want to work. What am I saying? It did work. So you can see, the first one isn't Bulbasaur anymore. Look, it's Bulbasaur, right? Shuffle data. Shuffle data. Oh my gosh. The shuffle data stuff is just wonky. But it just shuffles your data, as you can see. Right? That's all it does. So we'll do extras, which we're going to do filter. Let's say we only want to know, right now there's 414 Pokemon, right? Let's say we want to see Pokemons only with an HP above, let's see, 50. 50 seems good, right? Enter. So now we only have 320 left. So that's perfect. For my columns, for our sake, let's uncatalogize some of these and put some spaces. So we'll remove extra spaces by picking column name and apply formatting. And then we can capitalize. I don't have a phone table right now, but I would show you how phone works. Drop duplicate rows, does exactly that. I'm not going to show it to you guys right now because I would have to make an entire row. But this is pretty cool, plotting data. You can pick the type of data you want. We're going to pick a scatter plot. I just like scatter plots personally. We can plot values. We can pick our X, which is going to be, let's say, our HP, and our Y is going to be attack. We submit, and you can see as our HP increases, like, you can kind of see there's like the mass circulation, like it kind of increases. The more HP you have, the kind of more attack you have, right? Let's just do name and attack, honestly, for our sake. You can see there's just definitely not like 320 Pokemon, because it only shows some of them. But if you zoom in on a spot, it shows pretty much all of them, right? And you can download plot as a PNG. You can zoom, pan. These are more features for zooming. These are auto scale, reset axes, and full screen. And there's another thing you can do, which is label color. Let's see if type has anything to do with our plot, like attack. As you can see, Psychic has the most attack, which is Mega Mewtwo X. And you can scroll on this to see different things, what each color means. And that's how you plot values. And yeah, you can click Learn How to Use Amai which will redirect to this video. And yeah, you can like download as PNG, and we can download our new file as something. It only downloads as CSV, and you can like do that. So look at this. If I clear cache, browse files, not clean data, because that's gonna show the exact same thing, but all month, you're gonna see it shows the same data. But if you refresh and then put it, it's gonna show the correct database. So that is Amai and how to use it and walk through all the features. Subscribe if you like it. Comment down below if you find any kinks or bugs or any just features you want to add, and I'll see if I can get to it. So thank you for watching this video. Please try subscribing, and yeah, thank you.